Hello everyone, welcome to 7th session of your vector algebra. Previous sessions ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು some problems based on dot product and projection ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. Today we are going to take some more problems based on your projection and dot product. Okay, the first problem is today's first problem is evaluate the product 3a minus 5b dot 2a plus 7b. So how to calculate this? So given problem is 3 into vector a minus 5 into vector b dot 2 into vector a plus 7 into vector b as usual. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 3 ಇಂಟು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಎ ಡಾಟ್ 2 ಇಂಟು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 7 ಇಂಟು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 5 ಇಂಟು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿ ಡಾಟ್ 2 ಇಂಟು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 7 ಇಂಟು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಆಯಿತು, which is equal to 3 into 2 it is direct ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬೋದು, it is 6 into vector a dot vector a plus 3 into 7 it is 21 vector a dot vector b. Next minus 10 into vector a dot vector b. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಬರೀಬೋದು a dot b or b dot a because a dot b, that is dot product, is commutative. Minus 7 into 5, that is 35 vector b dot vector b it is. So clear? This is equal to 6 into, ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ already, a dot a it is magnitude of a square plus 21 into vector a dot vector b minus 10 into vector a dot vector b. ಇದನ್ನು ಬೇಕಾದರೆ it's 21 into vector a dot vector b minus 10 into vector a dot vector b can be written as 11 into vector a dot vector b minus 35 into magnitude of vector b square. This is what the final answer of 3 into vector a minus 5 into vector b dot 2 into vector a plus 7 into vector b it is. Next question. The next question is, if vector a is equal to 2i cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap, vector b is equal to minus I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap, and c is equal to 3i cap plus j cap are such that vector a plus alpha into vector b is perpendicular to c, then find the value of alpha ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, the question is 3 ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಇಂಟು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿ, ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಇಂಟು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿ, ದಿಸ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ is perpendicular to vector c. If a and b are perpendicular, their dot product is 0. So clearly ನಾನು ತಗೋಬಹುದು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಇಂಟು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿ dot vector c is equal to 0, because reason is if vector a is perpendicular to vector b, so clearly vector a dot vector b is equal to 0. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಬಹುದು. ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ if a and b are perpendicular, then their dot product is always 0. ಅದೇ ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ a plus vector a plus alpha into vector b dot vector c is equal to 0. It is not 0 vector, it is 0. then you have to find what is alpha. So ನನಗೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಏನು, what is vector a plus alpha into vector b and what is this dot this. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಫೈನಲಿ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ alpha. So now first vector a plus alpha into vector b. So vector a is given as x2i cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Okay, this is what your vector a plus alpha into what is vector b. Vector b is minus I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap it is. This is what vector b. So clearly this is 2 into I cap plus 2 into j cap plus 3 into k cap plus, just multiply this scalar to this vector components. So clearly it is minus alpha I cap plus 2 alpha j cap plus alpha k cap it is. So which is equal to, just tagolta, okay, this is 2 minus alpha, it is 2 minus alpha I cap plus 2 plus 2 alpha j cap plus 3 plus alpha k cap it is. This is what vector a plus alpha into vector b. So we got vector a plus alpha into vector b as 2 minus alpha I cap plus 2 plus 2 alpha j cap plus 3 plus alpha k cap it is. Okay, this is what your vector a plus alpha into vector b. Next, what is vector c? The vector c, it's a given one. The vector c is 3i cap plus j cap ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ third one, that z component ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. So ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಮಾತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ we can take it as 0 into k cap ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. Okay, so now what is vector a plus alpha into vector b dot vector c. Dot vector c, this is equal to, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ a plus alpha into vector b, find out ಮಾಡಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. The vector c is this. What is the dot product? If vectors are given in a component form, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ, if vectors are given in a component form, then the dot product is a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3. Okay, likewise this 2 minus alpha into 3 plus 2 plus 2 alpha into 1 plus 3 plus alpha into 0 it is, because the z component is 0. So this is equal to 2 minus alpha, multiply ಮಾಡಿ 3 ನ multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it is 6 minus 3 alpha plus 2 plus 2 alpha. What is this? This is 0, and this quantity is, what is this actually? This is vector a plus alpha into vector b dot c is equal to this much, which is equal to, so 6 plus 2 it is 8 minus alpha. Okay, we got a plus alpha into b dot c as 8 minus alpha. So this is what 8 minus alpha, which is equal to 0. Then what about the value of alpha? Alpha is equal to 8 it is. So clearly your alpha is equal to 8. This is the value of alpha when vector a plus lambda into vector b is perpendicular to vector c. Next, if a dot a is equal to 0 and a dot b is equal to 0, then what can be concluded about vector b? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೂ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಟೂ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿ. ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಎ ಡಾಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 and the second condition is vector a dot vector b is equal to 0. So okay, first just take the first condition only. The first condition says vector a dot vector a is equal to 0 if a dot product is 0. Once again ನಾವು observation na discuss ಮಾಡುವ. If the dot product is 0 only when either of vector is 0 or angle between two non-zero vector is 90 degree ಆದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ dot product 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ the first possibility is if either vector a is equal to 0 vector or vector b is equal to 0 vector ಆದರೆ a dot b is equal to 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That is the first possibility. The second possibility is if theta is equal to 90 degree. If theta is equal to 90 degree ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ a dot b is 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದಾ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೊಂದು 0 ಆದರೂ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ the angle is 90 degree ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ a dot b is equal to 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. But clearly a dot a is equal to 0. a dot a is equal to 0 ಅಂದರೆ the angle between these two is what? 0ನೇ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ a ಡಾಟ್ a is equal to 0 implies your vector a is a 0 vector only, because 0 ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 0 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ a ಡಾಟ್ a ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದಿಸ್ a ವಿತ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇಸ್ 0 ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ, this is the condition. If either of vector is 0 then dot product is 0. Clearly your dot product is, clearly your vector a is a 0 vector by the first condition. What is your second condition? A 0 vector ಸಿಗ್ತಾ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ second condition can be written as 0 vector dot b is equal to 0 vector. So dot product of any vector with 0 vector is always 0. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ the conclusion is, what is your b? The b may be any vector. Why b may be any vector? So b ನ 0 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, you will get 0. ಬಿಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು 0 ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 0. ಇದು 0 ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೋಗಿ ಬಿನ ಏನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಫೈನಲಿ ಯುಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 0 ಓನ್ಲಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ 0 ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಯುಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 0. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಬಿ ಆಸ್ ಅ ನಾನ್ 0 ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಯುಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 0. ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬಿ. ಬಿ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಎನಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಸೊ ಅವರ್ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಎನಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್. The next one is, if vector a comma vector b comma vector c are unit vectors such that vector a plus vector b plus vector c is equal to 0, find the value of vector a dot vector b plus vector b dot vector c plus vector c dot vector a ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಗಿವನ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನು? ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ. ಕಂಡೀಷನು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಎ ಕಾಮ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಅಥವಾ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರೆಯೋದಾದರೆ ಗಿವನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್? magnitude of vector A is equal to magnitude of vector B is equal to magnitude of vector C is equal to 1, because they are unit vectors. The second condition is vector A plus vector B plus vector C is equal to 0. Actually it is 0 vector, and because we are adding vectors. So finally we get vector only. It is a 0 vector. Meaning of this is 0 vector. These are the two conditions. By using these two conditions, we have to find the value A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A. Okay. So now, since this is a 0 vector, so clearly vector A plus vector B plus vector C dot vector A plus vector B plus vector C is equal to 0. Okay. If A plus B plus C is equal to 0 ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ the dot product 0 vector na dot product ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, it is 0. This can be written as vector A dot vector A plus B plus C plus vector B dot vector A plus vector B plus vector C. I am just splitting this, plus C dot vector A plus vector B plus vector C is equal to 0 it is. So now this implies, what it implies, vector A dot vector A, just doing the dot product here, plus distributive property, vector A dot vector B plus vector A dot vector C plus vector B dot vector A plus vector B dot vector B plus vector B dot vector C. Similarly, vector C dot vector A plus vector C dot vector B plus vector C dot vector C is equal to 0 here. So now, what is vector A dot A? It is magnitude of A square. What is B dot B? This is also magnitude of B square, and C dot C is also magnitude of B square. So in next step, this will become vector magnitude of vector A square plus magnitude of vector B square plus magnitude of vector C square, and this A dot B and this one B dot A can be written as 2 times of vector A dot B, because the dot product is commutative. So plus 2 times of A dot B plus 2 times of A dot C plus 2 times of B dot C is equal to 0. This is given. Okay. And next, the next is, since this are what, unit vectors, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು magnitude ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 plus 1 plus 1, because 1 square is 1. So clearly this is, which implies 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square plus, ನೋಡಿ, in each term we have 2, take it outside, 2 outside ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ you'll get vector A dot vector B plus vector B dot vector C plus vector C dot vector A is equal to 0 it is. So next, which implies 3 plus 2 times of vector A dot vector B plus vector B dot vector C plus vector C dot vector A is equal to 0. I am just taking 3 to right side. So what happens? So clearly, so direct bariyodadre, this implies vector A dot vector B plus B dot C plus C dot A is equal to minus 3 by 2. This is the answer. The answer is what? Minus 3 by 2. Next problem is if the vertices ABC of a triangle ABC are 1 comma 2 comma 3 minus 1 comma 0 comma 0 0 comma 1 comma 2 respectively, then find angle ABC ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, this is what the given triangle. Let me name it as, this is A, this is B and this is C. The vertices are given as 1 comma 2 comma 3, this is minus 1 comma 0 comma 0 and this is 0 comma 1 comma 2 it is. You have to find the angle ABC. Angle ABC and this angle. Let me take it as some theta. So clearly this theta is the angle between two vectors. What are those two vectors? That is vector BA and vector BC ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. This theta is the angle between two vectors, vector BA and vector BC. So clearly ನಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. The angle between two vectors is cos theta ಅಥವಾ directly theta is equal to cos inverse of vector BA dot vector BC divided by, this is vector BA dot vector BC divided by magnitude of vector BA into magnitude of vector BC. Okay, this is equal to, so ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಕ್ಕೆ ಥೀಟಾ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ these things we have to find. In that, the first one is, what is vector BA? What is vector BA? Here in this vector, B is the initial point, A is the terminal point. So clearly vector BA is, so what is vector BA? It's 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1 I cap like this. 2 minus 0 j cap, 3 minus 0 k cap likewise, plus 2 minus 0 that is 2 j cap plus 3 minus 0 that is 3 k cap. What's the magnitude of vector BA? The magnitude of vector BA is equal to 1 plus 1 it is 2 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3, magnitude of this is root of 1 plus 1 it is 2 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, that is equal to root of 2 square it is 4 plus 4 8 plus 9 it is 17, root 17 is magnitude of BA. Next, what is BC? Vector BC. Once again vector BC ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, this is the initial point, this is the terminal point. So clearly it is 0 minus of minus 1 it is plus 1, that is I cap. Next 1 minus 0 j cap, that is j cap only. 2 minus 0 k cap, that is 2 k cap it is. So magnitude of BC is equal to root of, this is 1 square it is 1 plus 1 plus 4, that is root 6. The magnitude of this is root 6, that is 1 plus 1 plus 4, it is root 6. So now ಇವೆಲ್ಲದನ್ನ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುವ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ is equal to cos inverse of, what is BA dot BC? This is what BA, this is what BC. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ just take it as 2. Now tell me 2 into 1 it is 2 plus 2 into 1 2 plus 3 into 2 it is 6 divided by root 17 into root 6. This is equal to cos inverse of 2 plus 2 plus 6 it is 10 by root of 102, that is 17 into 6 is 102. This is what the angle between vector BA and BC ಅಥವಾ angle ABC. Okay, next is show that the points, 3 points are given. A with coordinates 1 comma 2 comma 3, B with the coordinates 2 comma 6 comma 3, and C with the coordinates 3 10 minus 1 are collinear. 3 points ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. We have to show that these 3 points are collinear. Suppose 3 point collinear ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ they are on the same line. This is A, B, C. Let me take these 3 points are collinear. If the points are collinear means they are lie on the same line. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇದು ಇದೆ, ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಇದೆ. So clearly the distance between AB plus BC is always equal to AC. If ABC are collinear, so clearly the magnitude of vector AB plus magnitude of vector BC is always equal to the magnitude of vector AC, since because they are collinear only. So clearly magnitude of vector AB plus magnitude of vector BC is equal to magnitude of vector AC ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ the given points are collinear. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, if 3 points are collinear, ABC are collinear, if and only if magnitude of vector AB plus magnitude of vector BC is equal to magnitude of vector AC. Not if and only if ABC are collinear, ABC are collinear, if magnitude of vector AB plus magnitude of vector BC is equal to magnitude of vector AC. Now, first find what is magnitude of vector AB. Magnitude of vector AB. Before that, better we find what is AB. What is vector AB? This vector AB is once again, it's a vector joining 2 points. Here A is the initial point, B is the terminal point. So this is equal to 2 minus 1 I cap plus 6 minus 2 J cap plus 3 minus 7 K cap it is. So this is equal to, what is 2 minus 1? It is I cap plus 4 J cap minus 4 K cap. So finally magnitude of vector BA is equal to what? Root of 1 square plus 4 square plus minus 4 square. This is equal to root of 1 square, it is 1 plus 16 plus 16. That is root 33 it is. Okay. Similarly, what is vector BC? Once again, B is the terminal point, C is the B is the initial point, C is the terminal point. So clearly it is 3 minus 2 I cap plus 10 minus 6 J cap plus minus 1 minus 3 K cap. So 3 minus 2 it is I cap plus 4 J cap minus 4 K cap it is. The magnitude of BC is root 33 only. Next, what is vector AC? Vector AC is equal to 3 minus 1 I cap plus 10 minus 2 J cap plus minus 1 minus 7, it is minus 1 minus 7 K cap it is. So direct ಬರೆಯೋದಾದ್ರೆ it is 3 minus 1 it is 2 I cap plus 8 J cap minus 8 K cap. Then magnitude of vector AC is equal to root of, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೇನೆ. So magnitude of vector AC is equal to root of, this is 4 plus 64 plus 64, that is 4 plus 64 plus 64, that is 64 plus 64, it is 128 plus 4, 132, root of 132. So clearly we got magnitude of vector AB is equal to root 33, magnitude of vector BC is equal to root 33, and magnitude of vector AC is also root of 132, can be written as 4 into 33. That can be written as 2 times of root 33. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ clearly 1, 2, 3 shows that clearly from 1, 2 and 3 we get the magnitude of vector AB is equal, plus magnitude of vector BC is equal to magnitude of vector AC. This shows that your 3 points A, B, C are collinear.